The Daily Two is brought to you by Charlotte Eye, Ear, Nose, and Throat Associates. Welcome to the Daily Two. I'm Laura Polka. Throughout our lives, our voices will change. So when should we be concerned about hoarseness? Joining us today is Dr. Brett Heavner with Charlotte Eye, Ear, Nose, and Throat Associates. What are the causes of hoarseness?
Well, the most common cause we see would simply be a laryngitis. And laryngitis means inflammation of the vocal cords, and that inflammation can come from a number of areas. The most common thing being a viral type laryngitis associated with like an upper respiratory infection or things like that. This time of year we're seeing a lot of allergic laryngitis as well. That's something, obviously anything that irritates the throat or the voice box can cause issues there. The things that people get more concerned about would be like a cancer or a lesion or a growth on the vocal cords. Those are sometimes related to tobacco abuse, but not always.
And also you said vocal trauma?
Yeah, vocal trauma is simply the idea of you go to a ball game and you scream and yell and your voice changes there afterwards.
So when should you get it evaluated?
Generally, our rule of thumb is if you've had a change in your voice noticed by you or someone else, after about 3 weeks, we recommend an evaluation for someone to look at your vocal cords.
Talk about some of the treatments that you use.
Treatments really depend upon the cause. Something like viral laryngitis, sometimes time alone with observation and some voice rest temporarily will help that recover. For allergies, certainly medications like antihistamines, nasal steroids like Flonase and Nasonex are some things that I prefer that really help.
The nasal sprays really do help.
They work very well.
All right. Dr. Brett Heavner with Charlotte Eye, Ear, Nose, and Throat. Thank you so much for being here today. We appreciate it. And if you'd like more information about all of the services at Charlotte Eye, Ear, Nose, and Throat, go to the website www.goodsenses.com. For the Daily Two, I'm Laura Polka.